Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today I'm going to unbox the Realme band. That is, you can see here its packaging is something cool. So I'm gonna unbox this right now, and it's pretty cool, I guess. So I have ordered from Realme store, so you can get it. It's very pretty cool. So let me open the box first. And here we have the band. You can see here it's pretty cool in green, dark green color. And here on the inside we have the what is it, let me check it out. This is just a quick menu, guide menu, how we can use it. And this is warranty paper, so let me just keep this aside now. And it is very helpful while riding the bikes and all. So let me just pack this and keep aside, and let me just look this. You can see here, or we can just it's on the touch screen basis. We can check our heartbeats and all, or we can connect to our phone, and we can connect through Realme Link. You have to download it from Google Play Store, Realme Link. And then here you can see, to charge this, what you have to do, you have to simply open this one side. Let me just show you. You can see here we can charge the these things from this band. From here you can see USB, so you have to simply put on the USB or laptop or anything, the power bank. You can charge in this way. So it's pretty cool. You can see here, while coming the call, while incoming the call, it used to vibrate. You can see the lights. It's pretty cool. Thank you.